Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I am taking you all through my first day of college. So it's my last semester of college. I will graduate college in May and it's so bittersweet. I don't know how I feel right now, but I'm going to let you all get ready with me and follow me throughout the whole day today because I've never done like a day in the life of me, basically. So this is like a day in the life video, kinda. And yeah, so remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, madamebrittney. Make sure to follow Casino Lashes on Instagram at Casino Lashes. And anyway, let's get into this video, you guys. Bye. Right now it is 5:55 a.m. I'm heading to the gym, you all. So I'm gonna be there for an hour, and then I have to get ready for class. I have class at 11. And I'm just gonna take you all through my day. So okay guys, so I basically walked to the gym because it's basically in my backyard. So it's like a 3-minute walk to the gym. Really like 2 minutes, but they blocked out like a little section to where they're like doing construction. But we're almost there, you guys. Okay guys, I just finished my workout. I'm tired, but it's like 7:03 right now. I may get a quick little nap, wake up around 8 and then start getting ready for class. My first day of class. That's kind of sad, but anyway, I'll see you all in a minute. Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. But I don't know how I feel. This is really bittersweet. Happy to be done, but also I'm almost done. I'm about to do my makeup. I have to go get some coffee really quickly. Let me go ahead and put a little primer on. And also this is showing you all my everyday makeup routine. So it's like my school makeup. Some people will be like, oh, that's too much. I can't do that every morning. But it's what I like to do. Because, you know, when you look good, you feel good, right? I'm going to go get my coffee and then I'll be right back, you guys. Okay. So the foundation I'm going to be using today is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the color Cappuccino. So this foundation is actually like, I think looking at it, it's a little either too dark for me or too orange for me. Like, you see that? So now I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place concealer in the color J12. Now I'm gonna blend this out using the same sponge as earlier. Ooh, my head itching a little bit. Okay. Oh, I wish I would have got a notification. I wish I would have got a new wig for school. I'm gonna have to order me one, child. I'm trying to look like a snack. And now I can't stun on everybody the first day of class. Like, I don't care how old I get. I always have an outfit planned for my first day of school and everything. I don't really have one planned this time, but yeah. So I did show you all. So now I'm going to kind of bake and set my concealer using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. So I actually just put a little, well, this is a lot in the top. This is probably like the most expensive item I use. Everything else you can get like at a drugstore or Target. But well, Juvia's Place, you get that at Ulta. But this is $21 on Amazon, but I wouldn't change this for the world. I love this. So yeah, I make it like a little mustache, beard, goatee around my mouth. Then I'm gonna go over here. Then under my cheekbone, I'm gonna add like a little. Now this really brings out your cheekbones, bam. I'm mad. I never have any like fine guys in my class. Like, what? All these years I've been in school. Never. Maybe today we'll get lucky. I'll let you all know if I get lucky today. Yeah, now I'm gonna do my lashes. So the lashes I'll be wearing today is by Casino Lashes. They're not in the packet right now, but I'll be wearing the Let It Ride lashes. These are gorgeous. So make sure to check out my website. Oh, Casino Lashes is my brand if you don't know. Follow Casino Lashes on Instagram at Casino Lashes. Visit our website, www.casinolashes.com. Yeah, so now I'm just going to put a little black liner on the top of my eyes. Ooh. I only have 2 classes. I have a class 11 to 11:50. I have philosophy, but I'm kind of excited because I forgot I signed up for this class. I got philosophy, ethics of healthcare. So we're talking about like placebo pills, pulling the plug on people, and like what is it, like euthanasia and things like that. So that's really interesting, all the things that go into healthcare, like abortion and all of that. So we're talking about the philosophy of it. So like, is it right or like, kind of like, is it right or wrong? But like, yeah, kind of. That's like the best way to say it. So I'm pretty excited for that class. And then I have a communication class. So that's 11 to 11:50. So that's the class I'm going to right now after I leave here. And then I have communication. My coffee has kicked in. I can feel the moment my coffee kicks in. Okay, but then I have a communication class, and this class is communication in the workplace. I don't know what that's about, but I don't know. I needed a class that was like a 300 level. You need like, well, here, you need like a certain amount of a 300 level classes to graduate. So I just need a 300 class, and communication classes are always super easy to me. I realize that a lot of my subscribers are younger. They're either my age, young. Well, I have a lot of them, but I do have some younger ones. So if you all want me to do like a video on college tips and stuff like that, like my college experience, things like that, then let me know. I'll definitely do a video like that if you want me to. So let me get back to my makeup. So I have my little black eyeliner. This is a Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil. This is from like Dollar General. It's only $1. Yesterday I ordered this glue by this YouTuber. Her name is Erica. I am Erica J. Erica J. I don't know if you heard of her, but child, her video went viral on Twitter of this wig. I can't wait to show you all. I ordered the glue yesterday. Oh my God. If this stuff works, you're supposed to be able to get your hair wet. Like, she was literally like in the shower, pulling on the wig with her hair like soaking wet, like, and nothing was coming up. So yeah, you're like, there's a primer you put on, then the lace glue, and then she has a remover too. So she like, and she said the remover smells citrusy. So actually what I use for my remover, baby, is alcohol. So if I could have something a little more sensitive than alcohol, like, I don't know if you all can see this, but I was wearing the Ghost Bond glue I usually wear here, and I pulled off my wig one day, and well, I didn't pull it off, but I took it off, and I had scabs on my forehead right here. Scabs, like real scabs. And sometimes it turns like a white cast around my head. So if this glue is sensitive on your skin and stuff, I'm taking care of my skin, I'm taking care of my body, and I'm taking care of my hair now, my real hair, because, well, really, at least my edges, because I don't really know how to take care of my real hair right now. It's really hard. Like, it's a lot. But I feel like my edges are in terrible shape right now, like terrible. Oh, last night I was up talking to my vendor. Let me do my makeup, you guys, because that's gonna be a whole nother video too, because Chinese New Year is coming up on January 23rd. So that means we gotta get our orders in ASAP, because when the Chinese go on holiday, they go on holiday, baby. They'll be gone for weeks. Okay, so that is something to think about. You need to make note of like Chinese holidays and stuff. You need to have that. I can't believe college went by so fast, you guys. I promise you, it goes by so fast. Like, I feel like I just graduated high school. Like, I really did. I'm not gonna be a student soon. That's so scary. Like I like learning. I really do like learning. But lately, like these last, like, what, 2 years, I kind of hated school. I really did. I really hated it. And it's not like I want to be lazy or something. It's not like senioritis or something. It's like, it's terrible. Like, it's 9:27. So really I have like an hour. So I'm pretty good. Good on time, good on time. Okay guys, so it is 10:21 and I just finished my hair. I did just like little one curls, slicked a little over here. But yeah, I need to find some clothes now. So class is at 11. It's gonna take me what, like 10-15 minutes to walk over there. So I need to be out of here in like the next 20 minutes maybe. So because I don't want to be late, because I can never find my class anyway. Like, I've been on this campus for 4 years and I get lost every single semester. Every new semester I get lost. So yeah, I'm gonna hurry up, find something to wear, then I'll be out here. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is my outfit for my first day. Just a little basic but cute. So okay, I got my clothes everywhere. I'm gonna just leave that there because I'm almost late. Almost late for class, and then I have to find it. So I kind of packed my backpack. I got some notebooks, those are my pencils. Let me bring my laptop. This is the book I've been this is the book I've been doodling with for Casino Lashes. And then let me bring my new agenda book, and then I got a new little notebook. So yeah, I'm just gonna zip this up and head out. Guys, I'm lost. Can't find my class. It's 11:02 or something, but I think I'm in the right building. My hair kind of fell because it's rainy, but I think I'm in the right building. That's a good thing. So right now I'm just taking you all through the bookstore, but do you all see like how expensive books can be? Like, it's ridiculous. But yeah, I couldn't even find my books, so I just ended up leaving and coming back later. Okay guys, so right now it is 12:11 and I came home because the rain had my curls like falling, so I redid them a little bit, like but I just found out that my next class is like literally so far off away from campus, like so far. So I don't know what time I'm gonna have to leave out. I was late to my class because I got lost. I asked this guy, so where's room 0308? He said, oh, it'll definitely be in the basement. So I went to the basement of the building. Wasn't there at all, you guys. So it was actually on the 3rd floor. I don't know why they put that 0 there, but yeah. So now I guess I really should head out early in case I get lost. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I can't believe this. So hard. So I ended up finding my class. It is in a literal chapel, if you can see the windows behind me. But my first day of school is over. It was actually a really great day. I love both of my classes. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. Bye.